Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kaboda Area Youth Exchange Program kabasan sngi bala Pynlong da Nehru, Yuva, Kendra, Shillong. Lawan banishim benta na kijela bapero-per kumna Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Sikkim bat West Bengal. Kani ka program kalasdang ha kasantrik uleber arhaja apusan. Da ka jingi trailang bat ka youth hostel Shillong. Bat lapenkut benta kasni ka khandai trik uleber arhaja apusan. Kajing hikai kum ka yoga, laai jing hikai da kibriu ki balapau, kadon ru ka jing le jingok kai, sheki jaka bapau nam kum ka shnong dauki border, ka shnong kum ka maulenong, kadon Bosco Center for Indigenous Culture bat ki weide. Ha ka sngi penkut ka kong Anita Kharpor, ka IAS bat ka Deputy Commissioner jong ka Eastern West Khasi Hills District Mairang, ka bala longkum ka kongsan. Ha ka jingkran jong ka laai ka jingiro ya ka Nehru, Yuva, Kendra, Sangathan na kabenta kani ka jingtmu. Kabala ai ru kalat ya kisamla banyo lejngo batru banyo ya ka jingtep ka bakham banya ya ki jaka bat ki culture bapher. Kakong Kharpor kala penslur ya ki samla ban samlem ya ki ni ki jingshem bat jinglap ka baki lap lingba kani ka program.
This border area youth exchange program is being organized by NYK for the youths of the different parts of our country to understand the livelihood, the problems faced by the people who are living in the border areas, the challenges faced by them, to understand all these things and to know how they are living here and to have an exchange of thoughts and ideas with the people who are living in the border areas and the mainland, so-called mainland areas. So during this 5 days program, you have visited some places of East Khasi Hills, the district, and you have seen the hardship, not only the hardship, the way of life, and how the people are living here, and you have exchanges of thought with the peoples over there, and you have seen it. And youths have a very big role to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. This is the dream of our Honorable Prime Minister that our India should be a Viksit Bharat, that means a developed Bharat by 2047. So we have a very big role. The youth of India has a very big role to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047. We need to understand each other's culture, each other's life, how the peoples are living, and need to exchange our ideas to become a developed India. We have seen the developed countries like European countries, US, Japan, China, and there the youth has a very big role to become a developed nation. So we, the youth, also should know that we have a very big role to become our India a developed one.
You know, it's quite encouraging, it's quite delighting to see the initiatives taken by the NYK to have such exchange programs for the youth. In the words of our founding fathers, who has always commented on the importance of upliftment, of giving importance to the youth. The youths of today are the pillars of success of our country in the coming future. This resonates every day if we talk about our nation, if we talk about development from any aspect. This is quite true. The youths of today are the pillars of success for tomorrow, for the coming days. I'm glad that you have been given this opportunity to come down to Meghalaya to see, to get that experience, okay, of a far-flung state, one of the states of the northeastern region of our country. I'm glad you have been given an opportunity to immerse yourself, learn the varied nature of life, the culture, the social setup, the language, the place, the weather, everything is so different. Yet, one thing that binds us is a great country, a great nation, Mother India. We are all children of great Mother India. Our great nation is so unique than the rest of the countries in the world because of this, because it is made up of varieties of culture, varieties of language, varieties of way of life, varieties of topographical, say it. It's a diverse country. It's important for us to know how each one of us who are citizens of this great nation, who are part and parcel of this great nation, live. What is the uniqueness that each and every state in our country have, so that the biasness that we have, which is inbuilt because of various pre-noted notions, biased thoughts, and all that is removed, and we all live in harmony as citizens of one great country. I hope you have had a good experience here. I hope you have had a nice stay. I hope your experience has broadened, because we believe that each one of you who are in this room, and even the other youths who are not able to be in this room but shares the same ideology like you, I believe that you all have great potentials to lead this country, in whatever way you are placed in future. Be it as a politician, be it as an employer or employee of a government sector or non-government sector, be it a business person, be it a teacher, an engineer, a doctor, whatever profession, a businessman, whatever profession you are placed with, I'm sure, I believe that you will do well, you will indeed excel. And to excel so that the country's name is raised to the highest echelons. Today, let me share with you few ingredients that is needed for us to win, to achieve our vision. We need to have a vision which is achievable. Yes, there is nothing that is not achievable.